Hey, hi friends, welcome to the 43rd live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys. I welcome all of you. I know that last session I wasn't able to join due to some reason, guys, due to some personal reason and all. But here I am back with 43rd live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys. And you can start putting your question. You can start shoot your questions. Right. But today there are some announcements, guys, which I'm going to make in front of you. So after that, I'll start taking your questions and all. Right. Whatever the questions related to Linux, DevOps, or cloud, it will be there for you. I'm going to take the questions and all. Right. So I just want you to have some patience and please also maintain the decorum of this live session. All of you know that I am a very genuine person with a data oriented person. Okay, so if I don't have data, I'm not going to talk anything in front of you guys. Okay, so I talk on the basis of data, guys, and I can see there are so many members are joining now. There is a good amount of audience is joining now. Thank you for joining this live session, guys. And you can, and one more thing, guys, please ask your question only once. Definitely I'm going to answer your each and every question. And even if I'm not able to answer your question, you can send me all your questions into this Abhishek 88 Roshan, okay, Roshan at the rate of gmail.com. Correct. Right, so even you can send your queries, doubts and all to this one. If you have anything doubt related to the course, to the upcoming batches and all of 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. But today live session is more of, I would say, because I was getting so many requests, so many mails related to AWS batch, guys. So here is the announcement for you. So before making the announcements, guys, I'm going to wait for another 2 minutes. As you know, there is a rule for joining the meeting also, whether it's team or everywhere, 4 minutes rule is there. Okay. So I'm going to wait for most of the audience to join here and then I'll start this live streaming, guys. Okay. 1 second. At the same time, let me open this one also. Okay. So, very good evening, Mohammed Bilal. Very good evening, Pawan. Very good evening, Rajesh. Very good evening, DK. And I request all of you, please mention your genuine name in your channel so that I can identify you easily, guys. Okay. And you can shoot your questions one by one. Don't spam this. Especially chat box, guys, right? So I'll take up your each and every question. You no need to worry about that one. Okay. Yeah, so guys, let's talk quickly because now we are 9:03 and you know I am a very uh, time oriented person because time is money for me. Okay, and for you also. So let's not waste our time in some other things and all. So let's start this session, guys. Okay. So first thing first, guys, that see I have been getting so many mails. Also, I have been getting so many comments. Also, sir, that as recently you guys have seen in my channel that I have started a series that 30 days of AWS IT Corporate Bootcamp. AWS IT Corporate Bootcamp. So obviously, guys, you can understand those are the real-time projects, corporate bootcamp, which I'm already taking in multiple batches and all. Right. So my batch 2 and batch 3 is already running for 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So batch 2 it's going to be end by July, okay, and batch 3 it's going to end by September, okay. So I am not getting time, as you know I have a very busy schedule and all. So, but I have taken, since you know that I have been working out most of your requests and all. So I did a poll also, and where I found that most of you need this AWS IT Corporate Bootcamp online live classes, guys. And at the same time I request all of you, see, live classes is completely different from the recorded videos, guys. Okay, so my request to all of you that it's better that you should join this live classes also you should be going to get the additional benefits if you join the live classes. So I'm going to discuss it within 5 to 10 minutes now only, guys, about this live classes. So the request was coming, sir, please start some AWS IT corporate bootcamp and all. So see, this AWS part is already part of my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. All of you know, because in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, I am teaching complete Linux, I am teaching complete shell scripting, I am teaching complete AWS, and I am teaching complete DevOps also. Okay, with a migration project, with more than 4 migration projects I am teaching, which is sufficient for you. And these migration projects are not like others I have seen, like other YouTubers are doing, or the other classes and all. But here I am not to criticize anyone, okay, but at the same time I am just trying to make myself as very authentic, okay, with the data. So these live projects are basically from my organizations only, where I am replicating the same thing in my projects, guys, in my own infrastructure. Okay, so these are going to be mostly the exact same project you guys are going to get. It's not a free project, because now I have seen there is no free. So free is free only, you know. Okay, so you have seen it's keep on going in India. Okay, so I believe if somebody putting his hard work for something, right, so there should be a motivation. Very honest thing, there is nothing hidden for me, because I see that people are telling free, but later on they are putting their videos in Udemy, right? And they are putting their videos in other platform, and via some way they are trying to get money from the candidates and all. But I am very straightforward person. If I am giving you authentic data, with that data, candidates are getting placed 100% jobs. And recently, I am telling you with very proudly, one of my candidate placed with 40 lakhs LPA, one of my candidate, and I'm going to show you the complete name and all. Okay, but at the same time I request you, don't chase him and all. Okay, but under my guidance, others will say, but I have his offer letter also with me, but due to confidential reason I cannot show you. You know that I am a very policy and process oriented person, so I respect each and every individual confidentiality. So that is there, guys. But I can tell you that, guys, how much is secured, and only with a 3.3 years of experience. Okay, would you believe it? Okay, 3.3 years of experience guy can secure 40 lakhs of package under my guidance. Okay, it's because of, see, guidance is more important rather than fooling people, right? So I have seen people are just learning from somewhere and they are started teaching. No, that is not the right way. So if you have to learn, for example, if I'm telling you that if you have to learn from, okay, you want to do surgery and all, right? If you are a junior surgeon, obviously you look after a senior surgeon. You are not going to an engineer, you are not going to someone to teach how to do surgery, right? Correct. So if you really want to learn from someone, so please learn with those guys who is already spent a good amount of experience or good amount of time into this industry for 10 or 12 or 14 years of experience, right? They can give you a clear picture about all those things, very honestly talking about, guys, because I have seen now so many things are going on, right, where people are just following the trends, whatever the AI is suggesting, and they are producing the video like that in YouTube and all, right? So fine, guys, let's not waste our time in other things and all. I don't want it to waste the time and all. So 1 second, guys. Yeah, just let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. Are you guys able to see my screen? Okay, thank you, guys. So here I am, since the requests were coming for almost AWS IT corporate bootcamp. Okay, that is the live batches and all. Since all of you know that I am fully occupied with my batch 2 and batch 3 and other stuffs and all, right? So it's my content only, but the instructor is going to be different. Okay, even you can go and find out over here, as you can go to abhishekroshan.com, This is the official website, guys. And for all of you to know that now I am a legal entity also. I am not like others. Okay, you can go and find out about myself. I'll soon going to provide you what is my company and all. Okay, and it's registered in MCA also. Okay, Ministry of Common Affairs and all, right? So you can go and check over there also that I am a legal entity. Okay, and yeah, so here you can see, guys, abhishekroshan.com, it's my website. Okay, you guys can visit this website, and if we here, okay, you can go and you can download my app also, it's available. Okay, everything it's available in my website. Whatever the information, there are only two places where you are going to get all my information. I don't misguide my audience. Okay, either it's going to be in my channel or in the membership or it's in my website. Okay, for the backup purpose, everything it's in my website, it's available. Okay, so two places, obviously everybody keeps their one primary and there will be a DR, right? So same thing for me, I am very honest with the things, guys. So one of it's my channel. Obviously I appreciate, because of my channel only I am able to connect with you guys, and I appreciate, or you guys also, you have connected with me. Okay, so that I can share my knowledge with you. But the point here is that if you go to abhishekroshan.com, okay, you are going to get into the courses. Okay, where you can see this is the new course, guys, which I am going to start from 12th of May. Okay, but I am not the instructor. As you can see the image, the instructor name is Karthik, but it's my content only. It's purely my content, since because of the time issues and all, this batch is going to be 30 days batch only for the AWS. I am only starting this batch because there were so many requests are coming. Sir, please, we wanted to do only AWS. So fine, guys, if you wanted to do the AWS, please go ahead and do the AWS. But for me, my new batches, I have already told you when it's going to start. The fourth batch, it's going to start in July. Mostly by July end or by September, I am going to start the fifth batch also of 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, where I am covering everything. But for those who only wanted to go for the 30 days of AWS IT corporate bootcamp, only AWS they want to learn, right? With all the facilities, what I am going to discuss now, they can go with this one. And this batch is going to start from 12th of May, guys. Okay, 12th of May 2025. But the instructor will be different. Content, it's my content only. The course language, it's going to be English. And the course, because since it is available, it's going to be available in my website, so you can access this content for the lifetime. Okay, this is a one-time payment. And what all things you guys are going to get in this one? So first of all, you are going to get a customized resume. If you have an experience of 2 years, right, and you are going for a AWS role, AWS cloud engineer role for 2 years, so we are going to provide you a roles and responsibility, a customized resume according to your experience. That is what it is mentioned over here, with a real time project. Okay, second thing is, you guys are going to get one mock interview. Okay, either I am going to take your mock interview or the instructor is going to take your mock interview, right? There will be practical assignments are going to assign to you, hands-on task, reinforced learning, for to make sure that you guys are up to mark. Okay, now the most important, all of you know, in recorded videos nobody is going to give all these facility or these things, right? Where you are going to get technical resources also, you are going to get all commands, scripts has been used in AWS, SOPs, plus you are going to get the tools also, whichever it's required, that is free of cost. You no need to pay any additional fee for this one. Whatever it is written here, everything is going to be fulfilled. Lifetime access means you are going to get the free lifetime access for this material forever. Okay, you no need to pay for that one. Interview preparation, there will be an interview question and answer which is going to provide it to you, especially for this AWS, guys. If you are going for that one, by ending of the session you guys are going to get that one. Most important is, for this only people are charging lakhs of rupees, all of you know that. So others are promising 24/7, right? Very honestly speaking with you, it's impossible to give 24 into 7. So I am telling that I am going to give you my, okay, me and my instructor is going to give you the support, that is 9, basically 12 into 5 means from Monday to Friday morning 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. between that time we are going to add you to a one WhatsApp community where you can ask your question. Those chats also I am going to soon publishing in my website, where you can see immediately if you are asking some question, if you have any doubts, any queries, we will be answering to your questions. Okay, personal assistance 1-to-1 means what? During the classes also, online live classes, you can ask your queries, you can doubts, it will be get cleared during the classes only. And even after that also, if you wanted to send a message not in the group, but if you wanted to send the message 1-to-1, okay, or if you wanted to send the voice note also, if you are shy and all, if you are introvert and all, so in that case guys, we are going to give you personal assistance also. Organizational referral, this is nobody is giving, so 100% job guarantee nobody can promise and all, but soon, since I become a legal entity, okay, so soon those services are also coming soon for you guys, where we are going to give you 100% call, guaranteed 100% call, but not from this batch guys. Here we are going to give you organizational referral with, because we have a very strong network where we are referring all these candidates which you are going to see now, and these candidates have been already placed. So few of them who has got good packages and all, I am going to show their name now. These are the few terms and condition guys. Please go through these terms and condition, because I believe totally in process and policy is more important for a structured thing. Okay, we don't do anything unstructured, completely structured, and whatever we are promising through our website, through our policy, through our terms and condition, we are going to fulfill those things. So please read these terms and condition, which is especially for you. What is few of like what is the refund policy, what is the video content policy and all, what is the ownership and copyright, and what all other things you can see, mandatory course duration and all, everything it is mentioned over here guys. And once you pay the amount, you should be able to get all the mails, and mostly from 12th of May the batch is going to start, and immediately after the class the video will be gets uploaded to the website itself. So everything is automated now, because I was facing lot of issue with Google Doc form, with Teams, recording those videos, uploading to the Google Drive, and then I am giving access to my online batch candidates and all, but everything is gone now. We have automated, fully automation is done only for you. These are the people who has been recently placed, like Bhargav Ram is there, right? So this guy, you guys will not believe, he almost secure of 40 LPA, 17 LPA and 17 LPA in these companies and all. His offer letter is already with me. Pratyush Panda is there. He is already from the BNP Paribas of 15 lakhs. Ajay John, I think most of you know about him and all, right? He already, his career counseling is also available in my website. Okay, sorry, in my channel. You guys can go through that. I was keep on guiding this guy. Okay, and that guy has secured a good package in IBM. This guy I was keep on guiding. Okay, Pratyush Panda also I was keep on guiding. Right, everything data. Without data, I am not putting anything over here. Right, not like others. Very carefully, I am telling you guys. I am a very genuine person. With data only I talk. Without data, I don't talk. Okay. So here you can see Yogesh. He is already placed. This guy is already placed in DXC and all. Right. He also. But you won't believe this. I don't wanted to say like how an individual will be, but it's not only like helping with the cracking interviews, with the courses and all, but also with the communication skills also we are helping. We are extending ourselves, okay, to every level where we can help you. Okay, Surya is there, he is already in Infosys. Manish is there, he is in Tectoro. Okay, there are more than 50 candidates, but I cannot put everyone over here. But soon you are going to see all those things, because nowadays people are thinking that if you show more and more, then only, right? But my case is different, guys. I talk only if I have the data, then only I am going to talk to you. Okay, so I have the data of all these guys. Even this guy video is also available in my channel. Okay, career counseling is also available in my, this Surya also career counseling is available in my channel. So whatever I am talking here, right, I am very authentic person, guys. Okay, with the data, not simply for name shake I'm telling, no. So like this, please choose wisely. Whatever you are doing, choose wisely, check, validate each and everything, then go ahead with that instructor or with that institute, wherever you want to learn. I'm not telling that you should come to Abhishek Roshan only, okay? But what I can promise is that I can guide you to the right path. That is why my intention is, and I should make sure that whatever you are going to learn, that is exactly 100% from your real time, okay, from the production environment, how we work in IT industry according to that. This is why my most of the candidates are getting placed, guys. And these are the course content which you guys can go through, right? And even if you have doubts and all, okay, you can send me the mail also, which I have mentioned in my email ID. If anything you doubt, if you have related to this course, first of all, let me paste this link over here, so that whoever wants to enroll now, please go ahead and enroll now, because it's only after 1 month this batch is going to start, right? I request most. Am I audible, guys? Somebody is telling my voice is echo. It's audible now. Can somebody confirm? Okay, let me validate 1 second, guys. It's echo now. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. So I hope, guys, please, you can go through the recording later on, okay, and you can listen to the recordings and all. I request all of you. So again, I am displaying this content, guys. This is the course content, okay. Everything I have published. Again, I am publishing the link over here. Those whoever only wants to go for the 30 days of AWS IT Corporate Bootcamp, they can start enrolling now only. Next live session also I'm going to discuss about this only. For my batches, it's going to be it's going to take, because the batch 2 and batch 3 has to be ended. I know most of you are waiting for 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, where I'm covering each and everything, guys. But this is for those who only looking for AWS, and soon who are only looking for the DevOps batches. For them also, it's going to be batches is going to start soon. This is another announcement for you. So I am working day and night only for you guys, to make sure that you guys should get your destiny. That is what the intention is here. Now, guys, that is what I just wanted to discuss. At the same time, 1 second, guys. Stop sharing option. Okay. Okay. So at the same time, I request all of you, because I have been not coming to the live session, right? Due to some reasons and all, personal reasons and all, and some health issues also. Okay, last live session I did not come up. Okay, so yeah, my apologies to all of my audience. But at the same time, I request all of you, please go ahead and subscribe the channel, because I can see that the subscription is very less. The content, the views are good, guys, but the subscriptions are very less. So I know you know that without your support I am nothing, okay? So I need your support. If you think that my content is genuine, this content is helping you to grow in your career, right, to get whatever you are looking for, so please at least go ahead and subscribe my channel, guys. That is what the request I can do it from you, because you cannot clap with one hand, you need both the hands to clap, right? So that's what the request. So if you still not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe the channel, guys, and press the bell icon for all the latest notification. Even if you don't want to subscribe, guys, please at least put a like, right? That's what I can request to all of you. Soon there are so many series are coming in my channel also, right? And please look after my website also, where I have put a lot of hard work only for you guys to make sure, because see, it's all about you only, guys. Whatever the request you guys are doing it, okay, I am trying to fulfill, because most of you have said, sir, please start the online batches, the live batches, because we have gone through so many recorded videos. This is what nowadays everybody is doing, right? All the people in YouTube or all the people in from outside also, what they are doing, they are recording their videos and they are putting in some different platform and all, right? But I can guarantee you, I can challenge you, the real crux or the real value for money is live online classes is there, because you get a chance to interact with the instructor. Okay, you get a chance to ask your queries during the session, each and everything, guys. And that is important. Interaction is more important, right? You should listen to the instructor on a regular basis, what how he is guiding you. So live batches are more helpful. That is why I have seen the candidates who have been joined my live batches, their placements are 100% compared to the people who has only gone through the recorded videos. Because who is going to solve their queries? At the end of the day, you have queries, you have doubts, right? You get stuck while configuring FTP, you will get stuck while configuring NFS, you will get stuck while configuring NFS, you will get stuck when configuring your storage gateway in AWS, right? You will get stuck when your job is not running in Jenkins and all. Who is going to give you those support, right? So that is only possible in the live classes, guys. That is what I wanted to say. Live classes are more effective, right, and more good for, okay. And please, I know there are free in the market, but free is free only, all of you know, right? Correct. So that is fine, guys. Now I'll start taking your questions one by one. So I'll start from here. First of all, good evening. I said, I think for the Rajendra. Pawan Shetty, sir, I am working as a Linux admin from last 5 years. I want to switch to DevOps and learn all the DevOps tools and worked on the most of the DevOps project. I want to switch to DevOps as a 3+ years experience. Okay, Pawan Shetty. Pawan, very honest answer to you. See, for you, I can say, who can judge you, right? So if you are telling you are 3 years of experience, right, everybody wants to switch it to DevOps because of the package, right? And even I can show you, but at the same time I can challenge you, the person just now I have shown you, right, Bhargav, okay, you will not believe that guy even don't know anything about DevOps, but that guy is able to secure 40 lakhs of LPA with a system integration specialist role with 3.3 years of experience. And if I can show his resume to you guys, then you guys will not believe, there is nowhere he has mentioned any DevOps tools and all. See, understand one thing, first of all. See, if I am telling you, even I can give you a very practical example of my first company, On Mobile Global Limited. At that time, I don't know anything, guys. Even in Linux, you guys will not believe the kind of content I am providing. That is because of my hard work in the, like, growing in the upcoming years and all, right? I was only know few commands, but I have made sure, right, I should go with 100% conviction with grep command and the find command. If I am going with only grep command and with the find command, so the evaluator, if he is going to ask me question anything which is related to find command, okay, which is related to grep command, I can definitely answer him. And that is what called 100% conviction. Nobody can be 100% in all the things. I can guarantee, I can challenge on all that, right? So master of one, jack of all. So I was 100% whatever I know. So this is what I can tell you. If you are telling you know DevOps, you know Linux, you know shell scripting, you know cloud and all, Azure cloud, everybody is talking, okay, let's learn everything. No, it's never, the selection is never on the basis of that you know everything. For example, if I am telling Rajesh K is there, okay, or Pawan Shetty is there, okay, Pawan, if I ask, if I am taking interview in DevOps for you, 10 topics will be there. Linux is there, shell scripting is there, your cloud is there, your database is there, all DevOps tools will be there. 10 questions I am going to ask you from all these tools or topics or skill sets, but you are not able to answer me in all of this with confidence. But only if you are answering me something which is very confident from Linux and shell scripting, I am going to hire you. And that is what the evaluator does. See, again, I am telling you, I am also teaching DevOps, but at the same time, I am telling you at your years of experience, okay, you wanted to go, that is definitely fine, okay, but how you are going to make sure that you wanted to switch to DevOps role? So for that, guys, either you should join any of these batches, okay, or I have to take your mock interviews. Without evaluating you, very honestly, you tell me, without evaluating you by only reading that you are 3 years, 3+ years of experience, or from last 5 years of experience into Linux and all, I cannot tell you that you can directly go and do the DevOps. First, I need to see whether in these 5 years have you really learned the core of Linux and shell scripting. And I am again telling, I am not telling that Linux automation engineer. Okay, so you are really that much capable of answering each and everything, or you are only doing one type of a job in your environment. Correct? Either you are only handling tickets and rerouting to someone else. So how I can analyze you, right? So that analysis is only done when you are going to give mock interview, or you can join any of these batches, correct? But again, I'm leaving the decision to you, okay? So for if you really want me to guide you, then you have to join my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, the live classes. If you want a personal assistance from me, then you have to be part of my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. And if you're only looking for the content what I am teaching only for the AWS or only for the DevOps and all, then if you are already like you are already good in Linux, right? So then you can go with the cloud. That's what I can suggest you. And then you should think about your DevOps tool and all, because number of opportunity is more in cloud compared to DevOps now. There are more and more roles are coming in cloud. Heavy investment has been done in the cloud. Again, I am talking on the basis of data. Okay, let's move on to the next question, guys. I hope I have answered most of the people questions. Okay, so hi sir, my name is Deepak. I have a question from become DevOps engineer, or do Python or any programming language is mandatory to know? Thank you. Okay. So Deepak, please let me know how many years of experience is required. How many experiences you are having. Plus, if you are telling that you wanted to become a DevOps engineer, see, any scripting language is required. First of all, programming language is different thing. First, go and make yourself correct. Okay, like Java is there, .NET is there, PHP is there, right? Where you use programming, these are you can say, but especially Python and shell script, okay, these are scripting languages to automate your environment. Okay, these are the scripting languages and all, right? So either you can go with the shell scripting, which is by default coming with Linux, if you know Linux very good, right? So that is an added advantage for you. Or if you want to learn Python, you can go with Python also, which is mandatory. If you are going for a DevOps role, you have to automate, you have to do the automation. Okay, so that is required. Now programming languages, it's required because when you are working with the pipelines, when you are working with the microservices and all, very honestly I'm talking you should have knowledge of your Java somewhere. This is why I'm telling guys, DevOps is not something what you guys are thinking of. Okay, so it's a journey. If you are good in this area, Linux, shell scripting, database, cloud, automatically you will learn all the DevOps tools with the experience. Okay, but anyways, for you, straightforward answer to you, Deepak, that you wanted to become a DevOps engineer. Yes, you can become a DevOps engineer, but first let me know how many years of experience you have. According to that, I can suggest you as of now, just by looking at your question, okay, I can answer you that Python or any programming language. So Python is a scripting language. Either you can go with Python or shell scripting, which is mandatory. Okay, any programming language, if you know, that is well and good, because as I told you, when you have to work to deploy your microservices and all, there you need the knowledge of your programming languages also. Okay, fine. Like Groovy will be also coming over there if you are going with the Jenkins, right? So Muhammad Bilal, I am starting a DevOps with AWS Cloud. Can you please tell me how to land a job as a fresher DevOps engineer and what roles to choose? Again, same question, Bilal. I think last time also you have asked the same thing. Bilal, it's I cannot misguide you. Very honestly, I'm talking you because see, I'm not sure you are from some big institute or not, like IIT or NIT and all, right? So rarely I have seen, because you know in India like almost 10 lakhs, 1 million, right, engineers. You guys can check the data also, might be I'm wrong. Okay, lakhs of engineers or 1 million engineers are coming, they passed out every year, right? How many of them are getting, just go and check the data, how many of them are getting the DevOps engineer role, right, or DevOps job, which is the job most of, first you guys, I don't know why you guys are not searching, you guys are not trying to get the proper data. Who are those people? I don't know why they are misguiding my youth. I take the ownership of you guys. Okay, that is what kind of a person I know. My subscriber are less, right? Correct, because I talk truth, but the people who talk free, and they will just say that go learn because they just wanted to get their views and all. But what is the end result? What is the output? Where is the output? How many of the freshers are getting DevOps job per year? First, you give me the data of this one, Bilal. Then I can tell you the answer. Please find out. How many of the freshers are getting job as a DevOps engineer every year? I challenge all the people. Okay, especially I have seen there are YouTubers and all. I am not, but tell me how many people, how many DevOps engineers are getting jobs, and what is how many of them who is getting most of the jobs, because of the wrong direction. What we are pushing towards our youth, we are pushing our youth to the wrong direction. They have to learn few things, then only they can land up to a DevOps engineer role. I'm not telling it's impossible, but if you are telling out of 100 candidate, one candidate, oh, what is wrong with you guys? I am an average student, okay? I am not extra talented, so I look after all the average candidates. How they are going to get the job? That is your intention should be, right? And that is what my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp all about, right? I can only go with the DevOps and all from day one, right? But I am not doing so. You have seen in my channel, right? I've started with Linux, shell scripting, now cloud. So I know how to go upstairs. You cannot jump to the 20th stair of a floor, right? 20th step, right? You cannot jump. You are not a Superman, or you are. We see. We need to teach the correct way. We need to being what is being an instructor, being a right. If I would tell you, right, just I have given the example, very honest example, right? If I have to guide you, I have to guide you in the right direction. Correct. So okay, Bilal, I think first of all, Bilal, see, it's absolutely fine, but again I am telling you, you are studying the DevOps with AWS cloud and all, but at the same time I just wanted to know that how many DevOps engineers are getting job every year as a fresher. Please give me this data. Okay, so I'm genuine person, guys. Whatever it is there in my face, you can see, right? I don't make dual face and all like others are doing. No, I talk on the basis of data. So, without data, I don't talk. Just to make you happy for 1 minute or 2 minutes, no. At the end of the day, when you will not get selected, right? So what you are going to do? The instructor is not good, right? You are going to curse the instructor, right? No, we should not do like that, guys. Okay, it's all about us only, all the time. Choose wisely. Again, I am telling you, wherever you are going for the learning, choose wisely, right? Talk on the basis of data, okay, right? What is available, right? So, Mohammed Bilal, yes, sir. Abhishek, your voice, okay, fine, fine, fine. It's loud and clear, okay. I can see there are so many. I can take the question from. Okay, no, I'll take it from here only. Thiermo sir, hi, I'm outside India. I saw in your website that the prices in rupee, what is it? Rupee instead of dollar, rupees. Okay, how can I buy your courses? Okay, so for that, Thiermo, okay, if you wanted to go with the the payment gateway and all, it is showing in basically in rupees only. So if you see that I cannot tell you guys again. Okay. So from if you are, I know there are people who has been connected from the rest of the my move. So many candidates from Sweden, Germany. They are in batch 2, batch 3. They are already there from UK and all, right? So they have made the payment through that payment gateway only. So for that you need to find it out, right? So it is showing in rupees. So you just convert it, okay, and you can pay it like that. I think you have to enable the international payment, okay, for your card and all. So please enable your international payment for your card. I think that is the one, and then you can make the payment. I think this is the answer for you here. No, okay. So please enable, like, for if I have to pay something which is not available in India, right, and it's available in international market. So I have to enable my card for the international market, for the international commodities or international services and all. Okay. So please enable your international your payment, sorry, your card for the international purposes. Then you should be hopefully able to pay. Okay. So Deep Narayan sir, I am learning just for fun recently. Can it helpful in my Linux admin career? Okay. I'm learning. I did not get your question. Okay. So you are learning Linux only for fun. Okay. That is also good. Okay. That is also good. It's all about, see, learning is important. Moreover, again, I am telling we should not stop learning, whether you are learning it for fun, because everything is going to be counted. The if you are thinking it's a fun and all, but when you see after some time, okay, going forward in your life, okay, everything is going to be counted. See, I'll tell you again, I'm going to give you an example of my real time. Okay, so I started my career, you guys will not believe, as a PHP developer. I'm doing all these things. I'm into complete different domain, into operation management. I call this entire thing as operation and management. Okay. I was not a Java developer. I'm not a Java developer. I'm not a .NET developer. Like, but now I have started everything, right? And operation and management, where Linux comes, where shell scripting comes, where your cloud comes, where your database comes, where your DevOps tools comes and all, right? So in this area, right? So, but when I started at that time, you guys will not believe, I have taken a training of Oracle 10G. PLSQL. I know PLSQL also, guys. Okay. But at that time, I learned only because I wanted to get a job. So there was a training institute in Nagpur. I don't want to take the name of that institute and all. So they were giving the training, okay, and the first floor they have their company. So once you get the training from that training institute, they are going to place you in their company only. That is what most of the things people are doing, right? They are making fools. Right? True? Correct? So that is what, guys, same thing happened with me. Okay, so but good thing is that I did not take it as a fun. That learning was not a fun for me. Okay, so I took it seriously. That course, I took it very seriously. Whatever, whether I get the job or not, that is a byproduct. Correct? Right? So that is a byproduct. But what I can do, I can put my 100% effort to learn that one, right? And that is what happened with me, right? because luck is something where you don't know, that is 30%, but 70% hard work is there, right? Correct? Where we should be keep putting our hard work, and that is what I have done it at that time. I learned that one, but I did not get the job at that time. But later on, that Oracle 10G helped me a lot. This is why I am so strong in database also. So everything is going to be counted. Remember, nothing is going to be wasted, right? So fine. I hope I am able to answer your question, Deep. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Muhammad Umar, are these any projects which can be mentioned 3 to 4 years of administrator? And I have only gone through your recordings. Okay. Yes. See, especially for the projects and all, Muhammad, you have to join the live classes. Either my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, where I am discussing most of the new content, completely new content, plus all the projects and all in the live classes only. Okay, recorded videos, you are going to get some of the projects, but most of the migration projects or the live the projects which you can mention in your resume, you have to join the live classes. Okay, Mohammed, so that is there, and 100% you can mention in your resume. I can guarantee you, because of that only my candidates are getting placed, and which I cannot reveal publicly, right? Leave something for us for my live classes, right? Correct. So yeah. So again, Manoj Sharma, sir, I am okay. Sorry, Mohammedan Simanchal Sabat. Hi, sir. I am having 5 years of experience in Linux support. Can I switch to DevOps field? How much salary can I expect? Current salary is 7 LPA. Okay. So answer to your question, yes, 100% you can switch it to DevOps role. That's what I can say. But for that, you have to join my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, where you have to go through each and everything, and I should make sure that you should be strong enough in all these areas: Linux, shell scripting, cloud, database, and then finally DevOps tools and all, right? And at a 5 years of experience, 100% you can expect a package somewhere between 20 to 30 lakhs. In between 20 to 30 lakhs, you can expect a package of this one. This is again, I'm telling on the basis of my own data. Okay, somebody, okay, if somebody wants to know, so right, and the current data also, because candidates, they used to send me their offer letters also. According to those, they recently also I have shown you, right? But that guy is extraordinary. He has put lot of effort to get into that one, right? And I have guided him each and every step, right? So that's why that guy got a package of like that one. And it depends upon organization to organization, who, which organization is going to offer you how much. And again, it's a product based company or a service based company, right? And your previous salary also, since your salary is 7 LPA, so this is why you can multiply this one into 3x. It's straightforward answer to you. Okay, and you can multiply with your experience also. To the current package also you can multiply, and with your experience also. So by calculating, there is a calculation behind everything. Okay, even the HR does like that. Okay, so according to that, I am telling you, Simanchal, you can get a package of between 20 to 30 lakhs between this, guaranteed. Okay, I hope I am able to answer your question. Let's move on to the next question, sir. I am a monitoring NOC. I have completed RHCA certification. Very good, Manohar. And now my manager has opening in some other projects for Linux, but he required me to make a resume of 4 years of experience. Okay. So he has asking you to make a resume of 4 years of experience, but you are working as a NOC monitoring. So NOC monitoring, how can you make a resume of a 4 years of experience as a Linux admin? So first you need to work on all those things, right? Though that is fine, your manager is telling to make a resume of 4 years of experience. I can understand, so that you can switch it into the different role and all, right? So right, NOC monitoring is nothing but, guys, I just wanted to know, it's L1 support, okay, where you are just rerouting the tickets of all the incidents basically, right? There is no technical much work into this one, where you can troubleshoot and all. But 4 years of experience, it's required good amount of, that is basically a L2 support, right? Where you should be working as a L2. But I would suggest you that better you should come and join my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So I am not only going to give you the resume, but also you can go for a better role. Okay, but anything is fine for you, but for that also you have to join my batches and all, right? That's what I can say. Manohar. Okay, where I can guide you, because I see it depends upon, again I'm telling you, if you guide need personal assistance, right, from me, every step guidance and all. So either you can go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, or you can join any of these batches and all, right? Like which is I'm starting AWS batch with a different instructor, and DevOps batch also it's going to be only with a different instructor. But in my batch, okay, I'm going to cover each and everything, right? Which is going to make sure your future is also secure. Okay. See, tomorrow again, I'm just answering to your question, Manohar. You wanted to switch to cloud role. Then what you are going to do? You are looking for a resume for a cloud engineer role. After that, after 6 years, you wanted to, after 5 years or 6 years, you wanted to switch to the DevOps role for a better package. Then what you are going to do? This is that reason, guys. I have started this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp where you should learn everything. And if you wanted to go only for the Linux automation engineer role, only for the cloud role, only for the DevOps role, you can go for that one. Okay, any of this. But I take time. Very honestly telling you, I cannot promise you that I can finish everything in 1 month. But since the requests were coming so much, that few of you are who is very good in Linux. I know few of you are very good in Linux shell scripting and all, right? They only wanted to go for the AWS, or only go wanted to go for the DevOps. For them only, it's my content only, but the instructor is going to be different. Okay, so that is I have already started, and the first one is going to start from 12th of May, right? But for you, Manohar, connect with me, okay, via, if you wanted to, you can send me mail also, okay, right? I can connect with you. Okay, I can see. So I think you have joined the recorded videos and all, okay? You are not in the my live online batches, Manohar, okay? There is no Manohar in my batch, okay? None of the batch who is in my live online batches and all, okay? Fine, guys. I can see there is the same question again from one person only, Gadget World. Okay, let me consolidate these questions. As you continue the interview question series, the video in your channel very helpful. Okay, so Anup, very honestly, the rest of the videos you are going to get in my website only. Okay, or in my channel, if you are going to get that, so mostly it's going to be member only. Most of the question I have provided, but going forward from there, it's going to be member only videos. For member also, I need to produce some of the videos. This is why you people have been joined as a member only. So I respect everybody. Okay. So yeah. So Saundarya, agree, sir. First 100% fact. Gadget World, sir. I am a new to your channel and find very helpful content here, especially mock interview. Thank you, Gadget World. Appi Somberry. I am also a new subscriber. It's really very helpful me to crack interview real time example. Thank you. I must appreciate and I must congratulate also Appi. Okay, if you are able to crack and all. Okay, if you need any further assistance, either you can join my batches and all, which is already I'm telling, right? Gadget World again, sir. I stuck in a situation where I'm 2.5 years of experience, software engineer. Okay, Node.js. Okay, good. And Node.js. 1 second, guys. And I am learning all DevOps concepts since 8 to 9 months, and I have learned almost main concepts and all. See, Gadget World, very honestly, answer to you, the dev engineer also worked under me. Okay, I know the front end also where React is there, right? Node.js is there, back end developers are there. There were front end developers were there were MuleSoft engineers are there were back end developers are also there. But now the industry is looking for a full stack developer and all. Okay, even we were hiring also, so I know for if you have to work on feature. Okay, so now those days are gone where we are only looking who can work only in the back end, right? Who can only work if you are, if you have to work on some of the features, right? So in that case, guys, so we need different engineer for a different roles, right? So those days are gone, and we are looking for someone who knows DevOps also, who knows full stack development also, right? So either you can go for a full stack development role, okay, which is better for you and which will give you a better salary. Very honest answer to you, Gadget World. Okay, but if you wanted to go for a DevOps role, So you have to tackle all those things. Okay, whatever I have discussed. If you wanted to go for a DevOps role, so they want you to work on a vulnerability. They wanted to work on the deployments. They wanted to work on automation. They wanted to work on troubleshooting part, each and everything. So for this, you should have a very strong knowledge of Linux, shell scripting, database, and cloud. Okay, you should make sure you should have good amount of experience into these areas, right? So again, gadget world. And I am giving interview as 1 year of experience. Guys, I have already taken your question. Please ask only. Okay, one. You can send me your queries also, right? Guru Randhan, okay. Hi sir, I'm 2020 pass out. Okay, it's almost 5 years, but I started my career in 2022, so it's almost 3 years. As a network engineer for 1 year and worked as an application and a production support for last seven months. So overall, I am having 1.7. Very good, Guru. So you are have you just yes better. That's what. So now you have a good opportunity, Guru. Okay. By looking at this only, I can suggest you immediately you can go for a system integration specialist role, like Bhargav has gone, and you can get a better package because if you are worked as a network engineer, straightforward, I can tell you that you can get a very good package because there is a cyber security also where the area is evolving like anything, Guru. Okay, and you can get a package. So just I would say just either you can join my upcoming batches or you can join my existing batches also. I can guide you, Guru. Okay, because Bhargav was also similar like a experience like you only. Okay, and he get a very good package. You have seen 40 lakhs LP and all with 3.3. Whoever has the network knowledge, okay, so that is required. Especially, I am telling you guys, please take it seriously. Cloud roles are coming more and more, and there is a heavy investment done in the field of cloud only. Okay, where recently you have heard the announcement from Trump that they have made almost $500 billion only, especially in the field of cloud and cyber security and all. These are the areas. Okay, so yeah, because all those DevOps tool or AI tools you have to install in your cloud only, and the base it's going to be Linux. So again, I am telling you guys, the future is extremely good. Whoever is in this area, okay. So for you, Guru, it's very good. Okay. So Deepak Tyagisa, yes sir. Can you continue Linux interview question? Now I have already answered Deepak. Okay. Kalyan Mamidi, sir, I have AWS administrator at a Infosys interview soon. Any suggestion on which service mostly have to? Okay, I have AWS administrator at Infosys interview. Any suggestion on which services mostly I have to concentrate and expected a package of for 2.7 years? So you should focus on mostly, I would say, in the compute services and all, which is related to your networking. Networking also you should focus on. Compute service basically VPC and all, where you come, especially take this one and the gateway part. Okay, the networking part, right? All types of gateways and all. I straightforward I can say, Kalyan Mavidi. Okay, and the storage also you can focus on. Okay, right? The storage gateway or any application server or S3 and all. Please focus on this area, right? And EKC is also something. See, GKE I know. EKC is something which is very important. Uh, so I don't think so for you they are going to ask you that much. But three I am telling you, networking is one thing. Second thing is compute services, and the third one is your storage and all. Okay, so you should focus on these three area where they can ask you questions, especially in the VPC and all. Okay, they can ask you, right? And storage, correct? I hope. So, and for you can the package 2.7 years of experience for a AWS engineer, again 3x. You can expect a package of between 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs or 12 lakhs at least you can expect. Okay, so Manohar Sharma, I have already joined you. Okay, I have already told you, Manohar, you are not a part of my. I said online live classes, and that's what I told why online live classes are more effective compared to the recorded videos. Okay, so guys, Gola Mari Sri Reddy, sir, 2025 about L1. Okay, please do not spam this live session, guys. Okay. Okay. So again, I'm going to take your question 2025 market about L1 and L2 production and application support engineer do video on L2 production and application. Yes, soon. Yes. So Golamari, see, there is a new series also which I cannot reveal now because I have to look after everything, and that is only for that only, especially for the application and production support. Okay, and that is a game changer. I can tell you in entire YouTube, not in the entire YouTube, but in the entire IT industry where nobody has done a series like that. Okay, but I am going to come up a series that only in my channel, and I'm going to focus where the main core issue. I know most of you guys where you guys are struggling. Okay, I know most of what is the pain point, what is the pain point for all of you. Okay, which is becoming the most painful while working as a IT engineer, troubleshooting, right? And troubleshooting comes with experience. So that experience of my 14 years of journey, I am going to put into the videos, and read, you guys will see. Okay, so those series are coming soon in my channel. So this is why I'm telling, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my channel for the pure content, for the genuine content, for the 100% authentic content. Okay, please support me, guys. I need your support. And those who wanted to go for the online live batches and all, they can keep their eye on my website. Okay, where soon I am going to start the AWS batch. That is what I have made that announcement. And for my batches of 100 days of IT bootcamp, the batch 4, batch 5, like that, it's going to. So you need to keep an eye in my abhishekroshan.com. But before that one, those who only wanted to join the AWS batch, okay, they can join this AWS batch. Again, I am putting the link over here. Okay. Again, I am putting the link over here. They can join my online batch. What is going on? Okay. So, guys, I hope I have covered almost everyone questions and all. Uh, so please go through my recordings also. Later on, also you can go through the recordings and all, right? And if you have any doubt, any queries, right, you can ask to Abhishek88 Roshan at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, and this recording is going to soon available in my channel itself after finishing this live session, right? So guys, just enjoy your weekend. That's what I can say. And I am trying my level best to teach my youth, to teach my experienced people, right? To everyone. That is what I can do maximum with a genuine data, right? So just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind, guys.